Did you hear the great news? We're going to have a free webinar. It's a worldwide free webinar on July 1st from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. What is it for? It's for the Alimtox Ion Cell Cleanse. How do you do that? You stick your feet in a warm tub of water. It has an array in it, and between the array and the Rife technology that you put on your arm, it starts working within you in a cellular level. And after you're done, you're going to see disgusting stuff in the bottom. What does that mean? And then you're also going to experience between 24 to 36 hours of detoxification through the waste, the the junk that comes out of our body, whether it's our pee, our poop, or our perspiration. The three P's is what I call it. Yes, you can do this from the privacy of your own home. It doesn't cost anything to learn if this is something that you'd be open to. But people with any kind of a condition, whether it's metals or mold or any autoimmune condition. If you are not feeling well, this is the webinar for you. We are recording everything. So if you cannot make it during that time, still register in the link below and you will get the recording sent to you, but you must register. So go to whenyounneedafriend.com. You can click on the free webinar, or you can just click the link below and be a part of it. If you want to feel better, if you don't even know what feeling better feels like, it's time to come and learn. You'll have an opportunity to ask wellness expert Paula Childers how this could be helpful to you. So join us on Wednesday, July 1st from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And please know I'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyounneedafriend.com.